Friday. It's really good to be back with you today. We had a really full day today at Silliman University. We had our orientation this morning where we got to see the university for the first time and meet our partner teachers for a group project abroad, which was incredibly exciting. Somehow, in all of the excitement, I did not take any photos or videos at Silliman University, so see those coming in the future. A couple of fun facts about Silliman University: it was established in 1901, and it's one of 15 U.S. spaces in the Philippines. They did receive the Center of Excellence recognition from both their nursing, their education programs, as well as their coastal resource management, which is really incredible. One of the islands that we'll be traveling to is called Adto Island, and a partnership with Silliman also helped them to become nationally recognized, and Adto Island was able to become an amazing national treasure. So I'll tell you a little bit more about that here in a few minutes. Some things that I learned during the orientation that I'll just kind of share my knowledge with. So Cebuano is on the list of one of the least taught languages worldwide. So it's really important that we're doing this Cebuano language and cultural program because it is helping to equip us as teachers both here locally with our partner teachers and back in the United States to teach this language and teach the culture that is paired with this language. There's about 27.5 million Cebuano speakers. Today's food of the day is compliments of Silliman University's cafeteria. We had delicious sticky rice with sikwate and manga and Silliman's famous cheese bread for breakfast. And I tell you what, that was one of the best breakfasts that I had so far on this trip, and that rivals the street fried banana that I had the other day. So pretty excited about that. We also, I learned the word for delicious, which is lami. I think I said that right. Lami. Maybe it's lami. So if you're in Hawaii, that would be the equivalent to ono. And if you're in the mainland, that's the equivalent to delicious. All right, well, that's about all I have for you today. It's good to see you. And I'm not sure if a vlog is the correct place to use this term, but I also learned today balik-balik. So come again. See you next time.
Ngayon.
Ngayon.
Hapon.
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 Hapon.